I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to change the aspect ratio on this TV. So the first thing you have to do is go to the home screen. Okay. Now when you're here, just scroll up and use this menu at the top to go to settings, press OK, and then press OK on picture, and then go down to aspect ratio, press OK, and then here you can choose from either movie zoom, 4:3, 16:9, which should be what most people want, so I'll choose that, or you can leave it on auto. Now auto basically means the TV will automatically choose the best aspect ratio based on any peripheral or device connected to the TV, or whatever it is that you're using on the TV, or the best aspect ratio for the app you're using currently. And that is basically how to change aspect ratio on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.